Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Thursday. We are doing, been calling it Throwback Thursdays. I kind of need to really change the name because I'm not really doing throwbacks that much anymore. I'm working through my Crochet Nation newspapers. I was trying to find one that I didn't have folded. Um, well, let me do this. I'm losing my papers. Um, Let's see if I had it. No, probably this one. Oh, sorry about that. I dropped a piece of it. Um, yeah, Crochet Nation magazine, newspaper, which I absolutely love. Working through some projects in that, and the project I'm working on is this basket right here. It's called the Geometric Basket. It looks like that right there. And to be perfectly honest, y'all, I'm going to keep working on it till next Thursday because I didn't get a whole lot done. I pretty much got the base done on it. I have made the bottom. This is the base, the bottom of the basket. And I'm getting ready. Let's see, what row am I on? Um, yeah, I'm getting ready to start. I've got the base. This is the base. So it's going to be a pretty good size basket. So I have the base complete. What that is. And I'm getting ready to start single crocheting around to start building the sides up. But I do have this much done. I got my Halloween backdrop all up and ready. So doing a little cleaning up here today and organizing. Um, but yeah, stay tuned next Thursday, and I'm hoping to have this done. What I'm going to start doing because I have got to get things made. I have items for next month's homemakers holiday that I've got to get done, and I have Christmas gifts that I need to work on and get finished because I want to get those done well before Christmas with everything else that I've got going on. Our remodel in our kitchen is supposed to start the end of this month. The middle of next month, we will be gone to take my grandson to Disney, uh, and then trying to get ready for Thanksgiving. So it's going to be crazy town. Um, so I have got to get things done for Christmas and homemakers holiday. So I will not be doing um, toss up Tuesdays with the alphabets for right now. The toss up Tuesdays, and I think I'm gonna finish the basket. I'm gonna finish this basket, but then when the basket is done, I'm not going to pull out any more of my Crochet Nation until after Christmas, until after the holidays are over. So my Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll just be sharing and updating you on my progress with my Christmas gift projects that I'm working on. So that'll be what Tuesdays and Thursdays are. They'll be just updates on things. I wanted to invite you guys tonight. We are doing a birthday party live, and you can watch it on my channel and Shannon's. It'll be airing on both of our channels. That will be tonight, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. And Shannon and I both have October birthdays, so we're just going to be doing a live tonight with a big birthday party celebration. Shannon is going to be drawing a name for a prize that she's going to give out, and I'm going to have a prize that I'm going to give out too, and you have to be in the live to win. And we have some other fun games that we're going to play. Just sit and chat, grab yourself, get your favorite crochet pattern, grab you a snack and something to drink, and just sit back and have fun. Join in on the games, and who knows, you may just be the one to win Shannon's prize or mine. So I encourage you to come and help us celebrate our birthdays together. I've got part of my pink background all done. We're going to be dressed in pink. I'm going to have my pink tiara on, and we're just going to have lots of fun. Uh, celebrating our birthdays. So I'm going to do a little bit more decorating. That's falling down. I got to fix that. And so I've got my pink spider web. I've got all my Halloween tots made. Those are all patterns by Shannon. All of these tots, Oogie Boogie, The Bride of Frankenstein. There's Frankenstein right there. Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack Skellington. There's Count Dracula. I think that is this one is her Frankenpoo Pill Pal. Let's see if I got anybody over here. Oh, and then I've got the mummy. He's hiding out back there. And who else do I have? Oh, I got the mummy hiding out, and then there's a little ghost right there. And then, of course, we've got Sid wearing his Halloween witch's hat. And so, yeah, start getting my pumpkins out and just doing some decorating for tonight in all my Pinkoween. So come back and join us tonight at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern for Shannon and I's live. And I'm trying to think. Um, Tomorrow, not for sure what's going to happen tomorrow. We may have, um, I might have some happy mail. I'm not sure if it's going to get here tomorrow or not. If I do, and if it comes in today, I'll show that tomorrow. But yeah, we're just going to have some fun celebrating our birthdays. So I hope you will come back and join us. I have just started. Maybe I can show you an update on that tomorrow. I've showed you guys the drawings of the monsters that my grandsons did. And for one of their Christmas gifts, I'm making amigurumis that look like their drawings. I just got started on my oldest grandson's, and the one he drew, I'm telling you, it's given me a challenge. They're challenging me to get real creative. So I'm working on his right now, and that might be Friday. If I don't get my happy mail, um, that'll probably be what I do, is just give you an update and show you my progress on those little amigurumis I'm doing from the boys' drawings. I've been wanting to do that. I've seen other content creators do that, and so I'm finally doing that with this, with his. I had a drawing from my oldest and my middle grandson, but at the time, see, I was going to do that last year and never got to it, so it's this year. At the time, my youngest grandson was too little to draw, but he's really getting creative and stuff. And my daughter hasn't answered me yet, but he has uh he's starting to really get into coloring and things. And so I'm hoping, I asked her last night, I said, can you help him and have him draw a picture of a monster for me and just send me a picture of it, just screenshot it and send it to me, because I want to try and make him one too. If he's not able to do that, then I got to come up with something to make for him for a Christmas gift, because I don't want to have something handmade for my other two boys and not one for Cooper, for my youngest one. So I got to come up with something for him if the picture doesn't work out. Let's see what's coming up real quickly. Not tomorrow, not the 17th, but next Friday, the 24th, on Shannon's channel, we're doing our Film to Fiber. It'll be 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern. And remember, we did Arsenic and Old Lace. And so not this Friday, not tomorrow, but a week from tomorrow, Shannon and I will be live that night, the 24th, and we will reveal what we've made that inspired us by Arsenic and Old Lace. And we'll be sharing some things about that. Let's see. Oh, our reveal projects videos are all out from yesterday for Battle of the Stitches. Heather made a cute little pumpkin. I would have never thought to use that alternate eyelets for a pumpkin, but it was so cute. Heather made a pumpkin. Camille made a really cute little tote bag that's adorable. And Paige made a table runner that has some beautiful colors in it. And then mine was the shrug. So make sure, if you haven't, go back and check out everybody's Battle of the Stitches. I've got a Battle of the Stitches playlist, and so you can go to my video from yesterday if you haven't watched it yet, and I have the other 3 in my description box. You can click on their links to their channels and go see what they made. All of our tutorials are up. The voting, I tagged, or excuse me, I shared the voting poll on my post on my community tab. uh, well, it may just be a post. Go to the post, and I shared Heather's voting poll there, so you can click on the link and go to the voting poll. Cast your vote for your favorite Battle of the Stitches project. Make sure you leave a comment below that voting poll, though, so that we get your name to include it in the drawing. And then the way it looks, we have 5 Wednesdays this month. So as of right now, it looks like it's going to be Wednesday, the 29th at 2 p.m. Central. That's in the afternoon. Wednesday, October 29th, 2 p.m. Central. We will be going live right here on Careers Crochet. Heather, Camille, and Paige will be joining me, and we will let you guys know whose project got the most votes. And we will pick one of you that voted to be the winner this month, and you get to select which one of the 4 projects you would like to win. So that's going to be the 29th. Starting the 27th, I'm giving you a recap for the month, guys. Starting the 27th of October, that's a Monday. That's the last Monday of this month. I want you to help us and spread the word and join in. But Nova from Nova Gnome Creations is doing a BooTube Halloween Spirit Week, like BooTube Spirit Week. And we're doing some fun stuff. I'm participating in it. I believe Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher is participating in it. And there's a lot of us doing this with her. And we are going to there's a theme each one for each one. Monday's theme on the 27th is mermaid. And you can make anything that is associated with a mermaid. The 28th is tarantula, and Tarantula Tuesday. The 29th is Witchy Wednesday. The 30th, Thursday, is Gorgeous Gourd, Gourd, like the gourd, Gorgeous Thursday. And then let's see. And then the 31st, Friday, is Funny Bones Friday. So you can make that anything you want, a skeleton, whatever. It's just called Funny Bones Friday. Also on the 30th, Shannon and I are going live again. Y'all, we got some lives happening this month. In celebration of Halloween, we're going to do a Halloween PJ party. And that's going to start at 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern on the 30th. And Shannon and I are going to be wearing our Halloween PJs. And it's just going to be a lot of fun celebrating the holiday, the Halloween holiday. So make sure you join us for that live. So yeah, whoo, lots going on. But guys, hit your notifications to all. We have I've posted about our live tonight. So make sure that your notifications are on for Shannon's channel and mine so that you don't miss this live tonight. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're giving away 2 prizes. We are having some fun games, and we're just going to have fun celebrating Shannon and I's birthday month. So join us tonight at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to get off here and get some more things done, but I can't wait to see you guys tonight for the birthday celebration. Have a great day and get lots of things done. Maybe relax if you need to. And I will see you tonight during the live. Bye, guys.